This week on the Austin Healey channel, it's 2 weeks in one as we prep for paint. I'm working on this front, and this the seam here is opening up in the front more than I want it to. So what I'm gonna do is cut along here and make a little V to bring it straighter. This whole fender has been not easy to put back together. It's a bit of a Frankenstein, but making this split and shifting it over will get it to line up better, and then you have the beading on top of that will cover it all up, but it only covers so much, so we're gonna have to do this. I'm slowly making progress. This is the second side where I've gone through and flattened it using this. It's really been a great tool. Being down in the pit and standing straight up has really been a back saver. So highly recommend it. I would say this is a tool be worth investing in, even if you're just doing one car. The level of flatness I've been able to attain has been just really incredible. Very happy with it. So I've gone through and done, sanded down the skim coat. There are still a few little scratches and things that need to be filled, but slowly I'm working my way around the whole car and getting all of those taken care of. Hopefully by the end of this week I have all the Bondo work done and I'm prepped for primer, which would be a very big step.
If you want to come along on the ride as we complete this project, click the subscribe button. If you want YouTube to tell you every time there's a new video, click the alarm bell. Thanks for watching, and your support is very much appreciated.